Hello and welcome back to the channel, awesome viewers. Hope you all are doing good. Alright guys, so hope you have your popcorn with you because I want you to relax, sit back because your girl Tracy has another amazing video for you. Okay, just in case you're new to the channel, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, hi, you're welcome. My name is Jessica and on this channel what we discuss is how to make money online. Whenever I find any legit application, just like the ones I've been talking about in my on my recent videos or my videos as a whole, I've been talking about Poppo live stream and the Nikki live stream application and any other app I get to find about that pays you guys legit money. I bring it to my channel so I can bring you all along with me on the journey of making money. So today's video I'm going to be talking about something because many of you have been asking me questions about this, and I think it's high time I make videos, practical videos, so you guys can see it and understand it yourself, because normally it's always good if it is practical so you can see it and understand basically all the things you need to do and all the things you need to know. So with that being said, I'm going to be talking about how to level up on the Poppo live stream app and Nikki live stream app. If you don't know about the application I'm talking about, all you just need to do is to go to my channel and check other videos, or in my description or my comment section I'll be dropping a link whereby you can go to my playlist where I have all my videos arranged. You can check how to get started on the app. Just in case you're new and you don't know anything about the app, you can also message me. My WhatsApp number too will be in the description and I'm ready to serve you anytime, any day. Okay, so that aside guys, for you that are very familiar with the applications, you don't know how to level up, you've just been hearing that term everywhere, or you don't know how to do exchanges on the app, that is the essence of this video today guys. So all you have to do is to sit back and relax and watch me teach you guys all you need to know and the benefits of it. Before we go straight to the video in full, if you have not smashed that like button right now, because I know you're going to like this video eventually, so smash the like button. It's a way of telling me thank you. It's like a gift to me. You're helping my channel reach other people who will need videos like this. Okay, and also drop me a lot of comments. If you can type as much comments you want, no problem guys. Say me wonderful things in the comment section, and also share these videos to your friends who may need to learn some new things. And most importantly, hit the subscribe button guys, and also tap on the little bell beside the subscribe button. What's the essence of that? Whenever I post any video related to making money, you will be the first to get notified and you can watch the videos as you like. So guys, without wasting any much of your time, let's get straight to the video. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is how to level up on any of the applications. Okay, how to level up just to increase your level on the app, and how to level up to earn extra tax, because I know normally you guys receive, let's say on Poppo for example, now you may receive 2,000 points after your first 3 days as a new user. As a new user on the app, you may be receiving 2,000 points, and many of you like saying, oh, it's just so small, it doesn't worth my data, it doesn't worth my time, and I want something higher. And many of you you feel like you need a way out. Okay, so leveling up to increase your tax is another way to level up, not just leveling up to increase your level. I'm going to talk about the difference, okay, so you guys can understand and the benefits, and also let's say the advantages and the disadvantages of leveling up to a new tax reward. Okay, so follow me, let's go to the app.
So I'm on the Poppo app. Although this is Bone is not different from Poppo. So in case you are saying that it is totally different from the Poppo you use, just know it's the same thing. And if you want this kind of app, you can just download it through the link in the description. Okay. So I'll be showing you practically now. I want to go live and I want to show you how leveling up to increase your level works. But before going live, I want to show you where you have to check your level. Here, your dashboard. Okay, your dashboard, you see where you have the level icon, you tap on it. Okay, so you're going to see two different things. I've actually spoken on this before, but I'm going to repeat it in this video. Okay, so you can see here guys, this is my account, and this, you see you have the wealth level here and you have the live stream level here. What this wealth level means is that the amount of coins you've purchased on the Poppo live stream app and you have gifted it out. Okay, so that's what you can see down here as this number 6. I am in wealth level number 6, means I've bought the specific amount that is attached to being in level 6, and I've exchanged it Okay, I've gifted it to somebody, all right, and that has been pushing my level forward. Okay, so this leveling, okay, or this leveling up doesn't attract any new tax. Okay, it don't attract any new it only attracts a new tax when you do the second thing I'll be explaining to you briefly. So that's all about wealth level. Now the live stream level, let's tap on it. This is the amount of gifts you've received from somebody or from people or from friends. Okay, and that's what pushes your live stream level on the app. For example, now you have even brought it out here for us that if you want to be in level in a particular level, this is the amount of coins you that is required for you to upgrade. For example, if you want to enter level 2, you need to have gifted 3,000 coins, pardon, you need to have gifted 3,000 coins to somebody. It's not necessary you gifting it out, but you can use it as an exchange too. It depends on the one you want to do. Either you want to just gift it out to a friend, or you want to just use it as an exchange whereby the person will have to return it to you. Okay, so and for you to be in level 3, that's what level 3, you need to gift the person 6,000 coins. Okay, or gift out 6,000 coin or exchange 6,000 coin. For you to be in level 4, you need to exchange 16,000 coins, all right, or gift out 16,000 coins. So that's how you increase your level. Okay, it doesn't add to any of your tax, or it doesn't attract a new tax, because you're just doing it to level up, in the sense that you're just doing to increase your wealth level. Okay, and if your live stream level want to be increased to the next, it's the same thing. Someone has to give to 10,000 coins for you to be able to receive level 2 live stream level. Okay, that's just basically all about this leveling up. It's just normal leveling up, not to attract anything in it. So as for the leveling up to increase your tax or to get a higher tax, let me take you to where we have our tax. Okay, so this is our tax here. See, it's different from Poppo. All right, it's different from Poppo. It's Vone I'm using. Okay, so this is where we have our tax. So now we're going to tap here where we have live tax level details. Here I'm going to be showing you what you need to do in order for you to increase your level. Not just increasing your level, but to increase your level to earn a new tax. Okay, so to those of you who do not like the 2,000 points they give you guys for 1 hour, this is for you. Okay, so all you have to do here, you can see that in order for you to earn this amount of tax here now, sorry, this amount which that is here. So guys, in order for you to attain 3,000 per hour, that's 3,000 points per hour for 2 hours. That means you'll be having 3,000 points if you complete 2 hours live stream tax in a day. You have to buy coins. Alright, so many of you who don't have the opportunity of buying coins on the app, you can just message me. My WhatsApp number will be in the description. I sell all coins used on Nikilive, Poppolive, and any other app that you may work on. That's if I have their coins. Okay, so just message me if you need to purchase coins on the app. Okay, so you need to have 150,000 points earnings in the recent 7 days in order for you to get this coin. What do I mean? I mean you have to have 150,000 points gifted to you. Okay, let's say someone gifts you now, and your points, your reward has to be 150,000 points. I don't know if you get me. And for the other amount you see there, 300,000 points, 900,000 points, it means your earnings in the last 7 days should be, you should get up to 150,000 points in just one day. Okay, just one day. You should get to a 300,000 points in just one day for you to get 5,000 points per hour. Okay, this means it's either you buy coins to make an exchange, which I will not advise you to do, or you have a standard rich gifter that is ready to gift you coins anytime, any day. That's the only one that makes sense. If somebody is there to throw you gifts here and there and can gift you as much as 1 million plus points, okay, that is when you can get this tax, and you'll be working on this tax till 7 days. And after 7 days, the person will still need to gift you, or you still need to do another exchange in order for you to get any of these tax that are higher for you to perform. Okay,
So the reason why I say that it's not advisable for you to buy any coin and do any exchange for you to get this tax is due to the fact that if you purchase this coin and you make the exchange, you know that the app is taking 30% from you. All right, so if what you need to do now, let's say you don't have a gifter that is rich, that is ready to gift you anytime, any day, and you just want to, like, you want to try this out, what you need to do is to calculate it. If I spend this amount of money in purchasing these coins and I do exchange, all right, and then 30% is being taken out, and I then perform the task for a good 7 days, am I getting my profits? Am I going to win? Am I going to gain or lose? That's the question you're going to ask yourself. Are you going to gain when you do this task for 7 days after you have done that exchange? Let's assume you spend 13k now in doing a particular exchange for you to get a particular high tax, and then you finish your tax at the end of 7 days. All right, and just make the calculation and see if you are going to get like 15,000, 16,000 at the end of the day. Do you get what I mean? So that's if I actually did that and I realized that there is no gain at all. You buying the coin and doing an exchange for you to get a higher tax, there is no gain. You end up losing, and you lose a lot. So that's why I say that it's only if you have a gifter that is ready to gift you anytime, any day, that is when this is it's been reasonable, because your friend is just gifting you and you are just earning extra tax without you spending any money. But your friend might be losing, but it's nothing to your friend because your friend feels that it's just gifting you, so you'll be earning a higher tax. Because I have someone like that in my group that I know that he has a rich gifter, and that is why his tax is increased, because he spends no money. And you can just do your tax, it's just the data you are burning, and at the end of the day you see you earn money. But it's one thing you need to know, that this expires after 7 days. Yes, so this exchange expires, this tax, new tax you're going to be given after that gift you've been gifted, all right, will expire after 7 days. Some people came to my DM telling me that theirs do not get up to 7 days after they've been given a new tax different from the ordinary host tax. Okay, that it did not expire up to it didn't get up to 7 days, and it's being cut off. They are brought back to the old tax. That is one thing I don't understand about Poppo. You know, most of the things they say might not be what they are what they present to you. So I don't know about that. All I know is that if you are given a new tax aside the ordinary host tax on any of those applications, it lasts for 7 days. And if it doesn't last for 7 days for you, just know that maybe it's the app, it's a new it's the new way it works on the app. They don't get to 7 days anymore. So guys, you can see that it may not be worth it if you are wasting your money in buying coins to this exchange for you to get a new or high tax, because at the end of the day you end up losing your money instead of you gaining on the app.